Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can add a YouTube video onto your Squarespace website. If you're building a website on Squarespace and you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, there's a link to it in the description box below. It's completely free to download and you can check off all the steps on the back end before you launch your website. So we're going to start by clicking Edit. And I'm on a blank page over here that doesn't even have any sections added yet. So I'm going to add a blank section. And I'm going to click on Add Block up here in the top left. And I'm going to find video. So this is a video block. And I'm just going to drag that into the center and just make it just a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on. Okay, so that's the video block. And then if we hover over the video block and click on this pencil icon, we have the option here to add a video. So click on the plus. So we can either upload a file from our computer, we can select a file from our asset library, but today we want to add a video that we already have on YouTube. So we are going to add a video from a link. So select this option, and here it just asks for the URL of the video. So I'm going to hop over to my YouTube channel and grab the URL. Here I am on my YouTube channel. And let's just choose this video as an example. This is my latest video on blogs. So we'll just pause that because we don't need to watch it. But if we click on this share option over here, and right here is the video URL, we click copy, and that copies it to the clipboard. And then we can hop back over to Squarespace and we just paste it here and click add. And there it is, there's my video. If we scroll down on this pop-up that we've got here, we've got the option to add a custom thumbnail. So if we toggle that on, you can add an image here to have as a thumbnail. Now I'm quite happy with the thumbnail that I have created for YouTube, so I'm not going to add a custom thumbnail here. So I'll switch that off. And then the rest of the options here are grayed out because these are only appropriate for videos that you upload as a file. So your MP4 or your MOV file formats, if you've uploaded that from your computer. But as this is a URL YouTube video, we don't have these options. And then there's a further option down here to add a description. So we could add a description if we wanted to. And it just appears here underneath the video, but I'm not going to do that today, so I'll delete the description. So that's it, that's my video added. And if we just click out of this pop-up, we can hop over to mobile view. We can do that by clicking on this mobile icon in the top right, and we can have a look on mobile. That looks pretty good as well. It's sized down to the screen. It's not squashed up. It's not too big that it's kind of coming off the edge of the screen. So it looks good on desktop and it looks good on mobile too. So I'm going to click save and come out of editing mode. And then if we hop on over onto preview mode, we can play the video. And I'm just going to mute it because we don't need to listen to what it says, but you can see it plays seamlessly just here on preview mode as well. So that's it. That's the easiest way to add a YouTube video onto your Squarespace website. So that's it. That's the easiest way to add a YouTube video onto your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments below. Be sure to grab your copy of my Squarespace website checklist. It's linked in the description box and it's completely free to download. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.